so we're gonna do something totally different, and I'm gonna take you guys with me.
Whoa! Sweet stuff, and
I lost my phone.
so we are going to,
We're gonna start going to some sweet places.
where are we?
Apostle Island Sea Caves, Apostle Islands National Lake Shore. Near Cornucopia, Wisconsin. That's Lake Superior.
Let's see. Look at this.
That's Minnesota. It's about 28 nautical miles out.
We got ships. We got ships out here, 17 miles out. We got Corey, the city slicker from
North
Kakalaki, North Carolina.
Many hours to come and do exactly what we're about to do right now. So let's
grab the other one.
Oh, these are big dogs. Look at this. Wow. Holy buckets. Listen to that. Bloop, 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 bloop. Turn your blade straight.
You gotta use your hands. Now you're too far.
Nothing can happen bad unless you fall in.
There you go.
And then I can get a viral video finally.
Alright, so go in there and just hold your paddle sideways. I'll put the Corey's hand. This won't stop you.
Wow. Incredible.
Just leave your hand there.
How far in do you go?
As far as you can go. Feel your.
You're right.
So what happens when we run out of space?
We back up.
Scream or you become a man. This is where I'm testing y'all. Okay. There is a test and there will be homework.
That's being a man right there.
Oh.
So dude, it's usually pouring a waterfall down on you back there. It's pretty cool. It doesn't matter if it's 80 degrees out there, it's always like 55 in here.
This is insane.
That's why we gave the
Da, da, da. Now just lean back. Don't.
Yeah, I didn't lean back.
Oh, he leaned forward.
Dude, I think it's easier to lean forward.
Take one side. Do it sideways.
he says, just follow me in. Look at this. I don't even know if mine fits.
Come in.
Okay, what do? I lean back?
Yeah.
Are you sure? My kayak sits up higher, I think.
No, it doesn't.
I'm gonna say it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. It totally does.
No, your ass is the same size as mine.
No. What? No.
So just push, and then you just go through the.
Lean back. What if it tips over?
You won't.
Oh my
Just
god.
sit in there and take a picture or something. Like you can stand up there.
All right, capsize central.
Meet me outside.
Catch me outside. How about? You're right.
No, lean back and push through.
I can't. My arm doesn't fit.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go. Like
Oh yeah.
Absolutely incredible. We are caving. Is it doable?
No, water's too high. That's alright, this is a cool cave though. Come back, you want that roof shot. Come back, Ryan. Just look at that roof with the lighting. In the morning this shit doesn't look like this.
Because the sun's not.
Now it's all about these angles on the corner. This is why, like, I don't care if we go again now, better than you've seen tonight, but you gotta get the night paddle. You're gonna think I'm crazy.
Yeah, right. No way. Oh. Is it open up after that part?
Yeah, so we can get it on the other side. Yeah, the water's up. No, you have too much pad.
I can lay down inside my kayak. No way. I'll tip over and die. Ah! Alright, we survived.
We did.
How many miles did we do?
5.8.
Five?
Actually, yeah, closer to 6.
Closer to 6. Closer to 6 miles. But we missed a bunch of stuff here at the end loading up because I don't know if you can see this. It is the worst mosquitoes I've ever seen in my life. So we're gonna load up and get out of here because this is terrible. Saturday morning, we're in Bayfield, Minnesota, or real close. Cornucopia, I think it's called. And we're going to find something to do today. So we went kayaking, went to the sea caves. We went and we found lake trout. What in the hell is going on here?
Let's go. Get him up. I'm ready.
Oh my gosh, we got the water drinking pants sleeper. Good morning, sunshine. Let's go. Where are we going? Alright, we got 6:15, we're running late.
Yep. Guys already waiting for you.
Yeah.
You guys got all the time in the world.
First thing he said, oh, cut the engines. We got these amateurs here, don't know how to buy a fishing license.
Shut the motor off.
Yeah, shut the motor off.
No, so you can hear.
But it is beautiful out here. Look at this. So check this out. We went and saw the sea caves, and now we decided we gonna get our fish on.
What we're looking for, we got 4 downriggers, these rods that are doubled over going off the back of the boat. Fish hits them, they're gonna pop up and slam back down. That's how we're gonna know there's a fish on it. Basically it's released from that line and you're just gonna reel it in. These side guys, dipsy divers, will kind of start hitting really violently at the water, back of the boat. The fish gets on, grab the rod, go back with it, pick it up and reel down to it.
How do we keep it from going into all the other lines?
And with trolling, everything's going to actually work its way to the back. So if you're here reeling and the fish is swimming that way, bring your rod and start working over
we
the
want to
side.
look at them. They can all come over the top.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
this one comes inside, then that could go over, then this could go over.
Then for the 4 planer lines that are out, you're not going to really watch the rod so much on those, but you're going to listen. If you hear it start going,
Start singing.
there's the fish on. Yeah.
And we can have three. We have 3 lines.
3 lines per person, plus
person.
me and Bree. So that gives us 5 anglers, 15 lines. We're only going to run 10 today.
Sweet. Only.
Amateur hour.
Yeah.
I just threw all these in real quick for you guys, so you'll be good to go.
Right 10, Bree? leverage.
I was just gonna say.
You're at 30. Go grab another shirt, Bria.
What do we got?
32, 3.
33.
Zero. Yeah. Total.
Team effort.
Total fucking zero. 32.
And the hog.
Damn, that's a big one. God. Was 35.
Did
and a
shrink
half
up.
before. We're gonna make.
Got some juice left. All right, so that is it. That is a wrap. We got tons of fish. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
This was awesome. Sorry you guys couldn't catch any fish. And what's your business called? What do we got here?
Superior Sport Fishing. You can find us online.
And you are based out of where are we here? Red Cliff.
Just north of Bayfield.
Just north of Bayfield. So it was awesome. Yeah, I mean, can't get better people. Check them out. Two little adventures that way. Now we're gonna go find something. We want to go find mopeds, and we're gonna go to an island. So I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna wait for my tour guide, and yeah, we're gonna go. It's like 8,000 degrees and so humid. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Let's go. How was the food?
It was amazing.
What did you order?
Oh, you're gonna put me on the spot. French toast.
And what else? What did you ask for?
What did I ask for?
Everything. What did he order? How many times did he order? 4 times.
Yeah, 4 times, and we had to back him down to one thing.
And then he got 3 coffees. He got the wrong coffee.
28 shots.
20. We got 15. We got 15 shots of espresso with 3 coffees. So this place is absolutely amazing. What is it? Manny Penny Bistro. Absolutely amazing. The staff is incredible. So come check it out because this place is slowing down a bit. Distancing. So we've made it. We took a ferry. Where are we, Caleb?
La Pointe, Wisconsin, Madiline Island, Apostle Islands National Lake Shore.
There you go. You heard it here first. Where are we, Corey?
We are in Madeline Island. Oh no!
You got it.
What's the other name of that? What did we just see?
I don't know.
Beaver Island.
Beaver Isles.
Walking around and when you return. What? Don't lose the key. He'll charge you.
I heard there's caves to dive off of, so we are going to try to find that out, and we have a state park.
We get ourselves into this,
dude. I don't know.
Like, you know who we're with.
What do we got to do? You just jump off it?
I don't know.
Lunch over there. They went to get the pool.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, I just got to this.
Where do you swim out?
Oh yeah, I guess it's not the deep. I mean, it's deeper.
Well, it's deep enough you don't smash into a rock, right?
It's really clear, so you can see farther down. It's actually
it's
pretty
deep.
Is it?
Yeah.
And then where's your? Is it cold?
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
That's my concern. Where do you get out?
Well, you swim around to this side over here,
Oh,
and there's
man.
a rock you can climb up, and then you get on that rock there, and you pull yourself up on that ledge.
Oh man, that's some work.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Can you do any sweet tricks?
I did a flip my first
Here's a moment. I think it is probably, just be careful with that rock. I think it's a little chilly.
All right, Dad.
What does that mean? Now you're soaking wet, so you might as well, right?
Yeah. You guys just sit out.
So what do you think temperature wise? Like,
Oh, it's not that bad.
no?
You can dive off that.
Up there? Yeah.
You hurt your head?
Well, I mean, if it does, you'll be dead. Oh, wait a minute. Where are you going? Well, will you wait? All right, so I'm still recording. Oh, I got you. I'm going to record.
Come over here.
Yeah. Boom! Woo! How was it?
Oh,
Yeah!
woo! It feels good.
That's what I'm talking about.
I just didn't close. One, two, three. Baby. You got a dry spot on your shirt?
Yeah.
Let's get the lens here. There we go. All right, so what this morning started out as a little bit of coffee, some sleep, some air conditioning, and then now it is like noon. What time is it? That's probably wrong.
Well, no, that's wrong though. It's almost a little after 1.
A little after 1, and we have already today.
Had breakfast.
We had breakfast, and then we got on. First of all, we woke up on a piece of land overlooking Lake Superior. Went into this little town, amazing town. We got on a ferry. We rented mopeds. We were on an island, and now we just jumped off cliffs.
Yeah.
And we've lost Caleb. Caleb! All right, so we are back at the land here, and yes, this has been crazy. This has been so much fun. I love doing the car stuff. I love all of that, but like actually getting out here. Here's where we stayed for 3 days, 4 nights, or 4 nights, 3 days. 3 nights, 4 days. I don't know. Went and saw the sea caves, Madiline Island, cliff jumping, like just amazing. Good time. Awesome dudes that I was hanging out with. Like, drop in the comments where you want to see us go next.